Imagine opening your kitchen cabinet and finding a treasure trove of natural antibiotics. No, it's not some mysterious potion or high-tech gadget, it's something as simple and powerful as garlic and onions. These humble kitchen staples have been revered for centuries for their healing properties, and they still hold their ground today. Garlic, with its unmistakable pungency, is more than just a flavor booster for your dishes. This tiny powerhouse is packed with allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It's like nature's own version of a superhero. Eating garlic regularly can help fend off colds, boost your immune system, and even reduce blood pressure. The best part? It's as easy as tossing it into your favorite pasta or spreading roasted garlic on toast. Onions, garlic's tear-inducing cousin, also pack a serious punch. Rich in quercetin and sulfur compounds, onions have been known to reduce inflammation and fight off infections. They work like a gentle, but persistent, natural antibiotic. Add onions to your soups, salads, or stir-fries, and you're not just adding flavor, you're building a protective shield for your health. The magic of garlic and onions isn't just in their medicinal properties, though. These kitchen superheroes are also incredibly versatile. Whether you roast them, sauté them, or toss them into a fresh salad, they transform ordinary dishes into flavorful experiences. So, the next time you're chopping up onions or garlic, remember, you're not just preparing a meal, you're unleashing a bit of culinary magic that's been working its wonders for centuries. Who knew good health could be so delicious?